Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue exploring the Syncfusion Angular Scheduler. In this video, I'll show you how Timezone support helps you display and manage events correctly, so users always see the right time, no matter where they're located. Let's start with how the scheduler handles time. The scheduler uses the browser's local time zone to display events by default. If your application needs a specific time zone, you can define it at the scheduler level using the timezone property. This sets a consistent reference for how all events are shown. Just remember, time zones must be provided in IANA format, such as Europe, London, or Asia, Kolkata. Need to handle events that belong to different regions? The scheduler handles that too. You can assign a time zone directly to an appointment using start time zone and end time zone. Once these are set, the scheduler automatically adjusts the displayed time based on the configured time zone settings. If you later change the scheduler's global time zone, your events update instantly, without changing the stored data. Daylight saving time is handled automatically, so events remain accurate throughout the year. Want events to feel local for every user? You can retrieve the browser's time zone and dynamically assign it to the scheduler. This way, an event scheduled at 10 a.m. shows up correctly for users in different regions without manual adjustments. On the other hand, if you want an event to appear at the same clock time for everyone, simply leave the time zone properties unset. The scheduler then treats the start and end times as fixed values. Time zone handling continues to work smoothly during interactions. When users drag or resize events, the scheduler automatically converts the updated time values based on the active time zone settings. This ensures the UI stays intuitive, while your underlying data stays consistent. So far, you've seen how time zone handling in the Syncfusion Angular Scheduler simplifies scheduling across regions, helping you build reliable, globally aware calendars without extra complexity.